Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pineapple sorbet. First, ensure you have 4 cups of ripe pineapple, either fresh or frozen. Frozen pineapple works wonderfully for a colder, thicker sorbet. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. This will enhance the natural sweetness of the fruit. Finally, have 1/4 cup of water ready to assist with blending, ensuring a smooth consistency. These simple ingredients are all you need to start this delicious treat. Now let's get blending. Carefully add your 4 cups of pineapple chunks, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of water into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid and begin blending on a low setting, gradually increasing the speed. You'll want to blend until the mixture is entirely smooth and free of any large chunks. Don't hesitate to pause and scrape down the sides of the blender with a spatula to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. This step is crucial for a perfect texture. Once your pineapple mixture is perfectly smooth, it's time for the freezing process. Pour the entire blended contents into a shallow, freezer-safe pan or dish. This allows for more even freezing. Place the pan in your freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or until the sorbet reaches a firm, scoopable consistency. For the absolute best texture, stir the sorbet every 30 to 60 minutes during the first few hours of freezing. This helps prevent large ice crystals from forming, keeping it wonderfully smooth. After patiently freezing, your homemade pineapple sorbet is ready to be enjoyed. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Serve generous portions into your favorite bowls and, if you like, garnish with a fresh mint sprig for an extra touch of elegance. It's a refreshing and healthy dessert perfect for any occasion. For those interested in improving their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.